Hello you guys, welcome to Journey with Char on this lovely Friday. So mom and I are going to have the Trader Joe's honey walnut shrimp, and we're going to have it with some veggies and these miso style noodles. Okay, these are vegan miso style noodles. They're very green and they're only 260 calories for the whole package. We're going to split it. All right, so we're going to have that with some veggies. There we go. And look, yes, we're gonna try the cheeseless cheesecake. So I'm looking on the back. It says thawing instructions. Okay, from frozen. There we go. Okay, and these are the thawing instructions. It's saying from frozen, remove plastic oven overwrap. Remove plastic overwrap. Gently pop out onto a serving plate and turn right side up. Thaw into refrigerator for 2 to 2.5 hours. Once thawed, consume within 48 hours. Okay, so we're going to look at it. That's what the package looks like. And this is perfect. 2 hours later from now, mom and I are going to, did it say plop it out in the plastic container? Gently pop onto a serving plate, turn right side up, and thaw in the refrigerator. All right, y'all. So that's what they look like. They're really pretty. So I'm going to pour this into there. It needs to be hot. This is what it looks like, y'all. Throw that in there real fast. It said carefully placed. So that's what the shrimp looks like. It's carefully placing, and everything is successful. Okay, what we're gonna do is move this around like so, and just let it fit. Let it get nice and crunchy. On one side, now you got some steamed vegetables left, some broccoli. Alright, this is the instructions. You can see that, and we're doing the stovetop. It's 108 degrees today, so she's not doing the conventional oven. She's going to do the stovetop, and I used olive oil. I would have used canola oil or avocado oil, but I ran out of both of them. Carefully place the shrimp and saute 7 to 8 minutes or until crisp and golden brown. Empty sauce packet into a microwave. Y'all, I'm barely looking at this. Let me do it. Microwave safe serving dish. Heat for 50% power for 1 minute. Add shrimp and walnuts. Toss well and serve. So this is what we're gonna put in the microwave, right? That looks like some frosting. What's going on here? And then we have some walnuts. All right, so we're gonna let these get nice and brown. In the meantime, for our snack in 2 hours, mommy and I are going to plop this like so, like I said it was supposed to do. Let me show you. And let's put this up. Those are the vegetables we're going to be using. Okay, so we're going to, I've been wanting to try these vegan cheesecakes. That's what the texture looks like. And it seemed like it said plop it out. So we're going to turn it right side up. Alright, that's really pretty. Really easy. You want to be gentle with it when you're plopping it out though. It does come out easy though. Okay. So it's got that like bottom. That's what the consistency looks like. So I wanted y'all to see that. I don't know what it is. We'll find out, but it's really pretty. So let me show you what the cheesecake looks like again, and we're going to let these thaw out. We're going to let these thaw out, and we'll do a test in 2 hours, but it won't be 2 hours your time. Okay, so next up will be the finished lunch, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, so these turned out beautiful. Look how beautiful these are brown, and I might even turn them around again just to get that extra pretty brown like that one. We want them all like that, so we're just gonna flip them. They're really easy, very pretty. Okay, so we're just gonna put them. And this is in olive oil, so it's doing pretty good in olive oil. Alright, so that's all of them flipped. I'm kind of move some around. Move the pan around too. Sometimes your pan can get hot in other places because this is an electric stove. I'm not a fan of electric stoves. Alright, so we're going to let that finish up. And then the veggies are in. Mommy just put the veggies in. And now I'm going to do the noodles. So stay tuned. Alright, you guys. So we got some really good browning on the shrimp. I might take some of these out because we don't want them to burn. They're doing really, really good. Got some really pretty browning. In the meantime, I'm going to take this, the sauce that goes on top of the shrimp, and we're going to warm this up. What kind of sauce is that? I need to look at the name of the bag again. So honey, she gonna get all this sauce out of here. You hear me? I fold the bag and that does help to get the rest of the sauce out. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna get that sauce into the microwave. Okay, we hit on and added the noodles, and that is this pack right here. Okay, vegetables are almost done. The rest of these are almost done. Getting ready to toss this in the microwave. Stay tuned. You guys, so this is the sauce. Really delicious. It tastes like cream cheese. For me, it tastes like, this sauce really does taste like it has cream cheese in it. I would be shocked if it didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the sauce before I add the walnut. All right, you guys, so this is a little hot. We're gonna add the, y'all was about to call it frosting. Because it looks like frosting, or like something that goes over cinnamon buns, or like cinnamon roll sauce. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, but this is the honey. Get everything out of there. So we're gonna do that, and I'm just going to toss these delicious pieces of shrimp in there ever so nicely. We got rid of a lot of the oil. Okay, there we go. And then it comes with a little packet of walnuts. So we're gonna cut that. We're gonna toss some walnuts up in there, y'all. Just like so. Mama's doing the camera work, so don't y'all be mad at me. Then we're just gonna toss these lightly and coat them. Wow. That looks, you can even probably add more shrimp to that. I guess they really want it coated, but I would add even a little bit more shrimp. Like if you did some kind of shrimp coating with some cornstarch, you know, your little shrimp recipes, child, you can add that. So that's what that looks like. Looks amazing. So anyway, we're gonna let that sit and marinate all together. I'm gonna go over and get these noodles because they're done. Get the vegetables and we'll plate the plate and let you guys see what it looks like. All right, you guys, so that is the noodles. And I have the everything but the bagel here. I'm just gonna toss a little bit of that on top. Yum. That looks good. Yeah. All right, you all. Let me just do a taste test for you really quick. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Those are the other shrimps there. Okay, let's taste that. Really, really good. I love it. I would add some more shrimp because there's so much sauce left. So I will add more shrimp to that, child. But it's really, really good. All right, let's get the plate. All right, you guys, and that is lunch. Very, very quick. And Mom and I are going to share this. I love these noodles. Let me show you what the pack looks like again. I did get them from Daiso. And this is what the pack looks like. And what I love about these noodles, they hardly have any sodium. It does have flavor, but it's hardly any sodium. And it's an all green noodle. And it is made with moringa, or whatever that is. Y'all see that? It's made with that. High fiber, vegan, non-fried, fat-free. So that's what we got. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. You guys stay tuned because I'm going to add to this video the cheesecake, so stay tuned for that. Okay, you guys, so this is the cheesecake. It has been now like probably 3 hours because it's 5:34 and lunch was like at 1 something. All right, so this is what they look like. We're going to see how soft they are. Look how beautiful. You want to see how easy is it to break through. So it's doing pretty good. I need to look and see what crust that is. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Let's taste it. It's pretty good for a cheeseless cheesecake. It's a little grainy, as you can see. But, yeah, let's see what the ingredients are in here. Hold on. So it is graham cracker crumb crust, a lot of cane sugar, a lot of different things. So it does, I don't know what this is. It's a lot of ingredients. I don't know what this is, but they mastered the cheesecake taste. They did master the cheesecake taste, and the crust is a graham cracker. If you're looking for that real smooth texture like cheese, no, you're not gonna get that, but it does taste like cheesecake, and it is smooth. It's just not like your cheese. What do you think, Ma?
It's good.
Mama likes it's pretty good. That's the ingredients, y'all, for the cheesecake. And I'm done because it's a little bit calorie. I'll let Joshua taste some of this. Yeah, y'all, it's pretty good. I give it, for it to be vegan, no cheese is in here, and it's dairy-free dessert, I give this 2 thumbs up. That's my opinion, because they mastered the graham cracker crust, and they mastered the cheesecake taste to me. And it has a pleasant aftertaste. There's no chemical taste in there. Like anything is false or chemically.
Very nice.
Yes, Mommy is saying it's very nice, as y'all can see me going in. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char for this taste test today for lunch. This was the honey walnut shrimp that you can get from Trader Joe's, and their cheeseless cheesecake, vegan cheesecake, dairy free, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this taste test today, and if this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you that I've uploaded a new video. And also please leave a comment below. Have you tried the cheeseless cheesecake, dairy free, and have you tried the honey walnut shrimp? Let me know below, you guys. All right, y'all. So I'm closing out. Thank you for tuning in. Bon appetit. Be safe. Remember, trust God, keep Him first, and He'll always lead you in the right direction. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.